Hi, it's Elder, and in this video I will show you how you can generate and submit your sitemap to Google. So in the previous video I showed you how we can add, verify and manage our websites in Google Search Console, and I showed you that we can add the individual pages to be indexed by Google. And in this video, I want to show you how we can submit the sitemaps to Google for faster indexing. And it is very easy to generate a sitemap, so let me show you how we can do that in Blocs. So let me go to one of my latest project here. It's the website for my wife. And if we go to project settings, all we need to do is type the URL here in the web address. So I have already done that. So now when I export this project, Blocs will automatically give us the sitemap file. Here, as you can see, if we go down here, it created the sitemap.xml file, which is the default file for sitemaps. And all we need to do now is to upload all of these files to the server. And if we go back to Search Console here, and if we go to the sitemaps section under the index, we can see that we still don't have sitemap submitted here. So all we need to do is type the name of our sitemap. So by default it is sitemap.xml, and when we click submit, so it has submitted our sitemap, and as you can see it says that it will be always monitoring the sitemap file. So next time you update your website and upload the new files to your FTP server, Google will always monitor and update the sitemap here inside Google Search Console. So let's press done, and as you can see, Google has discovered 13 URLs. So I have 13 URLs in this project, and it was a success. So now it will take much faster for Google to index these pages and, well, keep them up to date. That's it for this video, and I will talk to you in the next one.